Truck 222. What to do if it don't start? Okay. Make sure we're neutral. Key on. Keys on. Go to the engine compartment. Over here. There's that plug.